Hi there everyone, welcome back to PowerShell series. In our first video, we kicked things off by introducing you some of potential capability of PowerShell. For example, one may use PowerShell to make a repetitive task easier, like organizing folder or even cleaning file. If you have not watched that video yet, then I definitely recommend you to watch that video first, and I'm gonna put that video link in the description of this one. From there you can check that out. In this second video, we are diving deeper into basics of PowerShell command and syntax. You will learn about CMDlets, helpful tool like get help, get command, get member, and how to navigate your file system using PowerShell. So without further ado, let's dive in. And there we go. Now here you can see my computer screen. So let me press menu button here, and then I'm gonna type PowerShell, and let's also run it as administrator. Now let me actually make a right click here and go to properties. Here I would like to increase the font size to 28 so that it looks even bigger, and let me actually further increase to 36 probably. Now it should look more readable, I would say. So first thing first, let's understand what CMDlets are. In PowerShell, commands are called CMDlets, and they follow a very easy to remember pattern, which is verb and then noun. For example, get hyphen process, which retrieve list of processes running onto your system. That we're gonna also check out in a while. The second command, for example, new hyphen item, which create a new file or folder. Then for example, remove item, which is used to delete file or folder. Think of verb as the action and noun as the object. It's as simple as telling your computer what to do. Now let me again take you back to my computer screen, where I'm gonna show you one such quick example. And there we go. As we were mentioning, one command that we just spoke about is get process. So let me type here get process, and let's see what happens. After typing command, all we need to do is hit enter, and there we go. We can see it lists all the processes running on my computer. Easy, isn't it? Now let's talk about some of helpful command. For example, again I'm gonna follow the same pattern, which is get and then hyphen, and I'm gonna type help. Let's hit enter, and there we go. So here we can see the topic, which is Windows PowerShell help system, and then here we have got this short description which says that displays help about a Windows PowerShell CMDlets and concept. Now here we can also go through this long description which says that Windows PowerShell help describe Windows PowerShell CMDlets, functions, script and modules, explain concepts including the element of Windows PowerShell language. Now, how are we going to use this command? So you remember we just run a command which is get progress. Now what I'm gonna do here is we're going to utilize get help, which is your go-to command whenever you struck or want to know more about a particular CMDlet. So here I would like to know about this get process CMDlet. So again I'm gonna type here get help, and now this CMDlet, which is get process. And now I'm gonna hit enter, and there we go. Here we can see the name of the CMDlets, and then synopsis, which talk about get the process that are running on the local computer or remote computer. So this is exactly what I wanted to see. And now by running get help get process, I am exposed to different type of syntax that I can utilize here. For example, here we can see get process and then different flags and customization, and it also gives us description of that particular CMDlet, and which is get process in this particular case, and it is also showing us even more related command. For example, wait process, stop process, start process, and so on. Now it may be possible that your PowerShell help system is not up to date. In that case, what we can do is we can type the following command, which is update, and then I'm gonna write help. Now let me again press enter, and again here you can see all these commands have got same syntax, which is a verb hyphen noun. So now what is happening by running this command is it's going to update all my help module, so that whenever I run help command and try to know about a particular command, it's gonna give me all necessary description. Now let's wait for this updation to get completed, and there we go. Now let me type here clear, and the next command I'm gonna talk with you about is filtering out some of command. For example, if you want to run a particular command and if you are not aware of and you know only portion of it, in that case you can use the following command, which is get command, and then I'm gonna type get again, and then I'm gonna put star mark, and now let's hit enter, and there we go. And now here we can see all the CMDlets that start with get are present here. And not only you can see the CMDlet, but you can also see list of all the functions and alias as well. So this command is also pretty helpful, I would say, whenever we would like to filter something. For example, I know get, and then I also know that wi is there. Now again I'm gonna put star asterisk mark, and let's again hit enter. And now here we can see we were even able to further filter it out. So I hope get command is also clear to you. Now let's talk about another command here, which is get member. Get member helps you to understand what you can do with the output of a command. For example, get hyphen process, which again, you know, the first command that we have used. And then we're gonna put the or symbol, or I'm gonna say vertical wall symbol, that I'm gonna show you right away. And then we need to type get hyphen member, and let me actually show you what does that mean. So here I'm gonna put, as I was mentioning, get process, and now I'm gonna make this vertical bar or separator. Now I'm gonna type get and then hyphen member. Okay, so this should show the property and method of object written by get process. It is super helpful when you want to explore advanced features. So let me hit enter now, and there we go. So here we can also see and understand what you can do with the output of a command. Now I also would like to discuss here about navigating a file system with PowerShell, which is super simple. I would say there are two commands which you will use most often. The first one is again get hyphen child item, and the second one is set hyphen location. So now let's start with get hyphen child item. So let's type here get hyphen child item, and now I'm gonna hit enter, and there we go. So here we can see this command lists all file and folder in your current directory. Think of it as dir command in command prompt. To switch directory, you can also utilize another command, which is set and then hyphen location. So for example, I would like to set a C drive, so I'm gonna write C colon, and now let's hit enter. So here now we are in our C drive. You can also use cd to change directory, as we generally use in case of DOS. Now again here we can type dir or even get child item and hit enter. So you see both the command gonna give you same result. It is that simple. And that's all guys from my side in this video, where we have covered some of basic command of PowerShell with even deeper insight, where we understood how CMDlets work, verb hyphen noun approach. Then we also explored helpful tool, for example get hyphen help, get hyphen command, and get hyphen member, and learn how to navigate file system using get hyphen child item and set hyphen location. So again, get hyphen child item is similar to dir, and Set-location is similar to cd or change directory. In our upcoming video, I will dive into creating and managing files in folder using PowerShell. And stay tuned, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Technoholic to follow for more such productivity related tutorial, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.